kids, and welcome to your first science class. Today's lesson will be an introduction to Unit 1, How Scientists Work. Our lesson is What are senses and other tools? In this lesson, you'll find some of the amazing things your hands, ears, eyes, tongue, and nose can do. Before we begin, we must first understand what senses are. Senses are the way you observe and learn from your environment. We have 5 main senses: sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. Eyes are used to see the color, number, shape, and movement of everything around us. They are windows to the world. Our ears help us hear music, laughter, honking horns, and every other sound around us. They were made to gather sound waves. Our nose can smell anything, from flowers to stinky odors. Ew! Our tongue can taste sour, bitter, sweet, and salty foods. Our skin tells us how objects feel. They can be smooth, rough, hot, cold, hard, or soft. Our senses can tell us a lot about our environment and the world, but sometimes we have to use science tools. So what exactly are science tools? Science tools are tools that help people find out about things. This is a hand lens. It magnifies objects so that they are easier to see. This is a ruler. It helps measure how long something is. This is a tape measure. It helps measure how long something round is because we can't always use a ruler. This is a measuring cup. We use it to measure the volume of things, like water and flour. This is a pan balance. We use it to tell how heavy something is. We use it to measure the weight of something. This is a thermometer. We use it to measure someone's temperature. We usually use it when we are very sick and when we have a fever. We've learned a lot about our senses in this lesson. Let's revise what we've learned. Eyes are for sight. We see with our eyes. Our nose is for smelling. We smell with our nose. Our ears are for hearing. We hear with our ears. Our tongue is for tasting. We taste food with our tongue. Our hands are for feeling. We feel things with our hands. We also learned a lot about science tools. Let's revise what we've learned about them. Hand lenses are used to magnify objects. A pan balance is used to find mass. Tape measures and rulers are used to measure length. Thermometers are used to find temperature. In conclusion, you should remember that together, our senses and science tools help us learn about the world. And this is the end of our lesson. I'll see you next class, kids. Goodbye.